So this meme coin trading strategy is really simple. So what we're looking for is a meme coin launched and it goes this way and hitting around 300k to 400k market cap, just thereabouts. Then it retraces by 50 to 70%. When it does that, what we're now looking for is this gradual upward movement. Once this happens, we are looking for a buy here. Then this potentially goes up like this and rewards. We do ATP. This is what we're looking for to do in this particular strategy. So the first thing we do is to set our filters to filter out the coins that will give us this. We're going to use two tools, one is Desk Screener and the second one is Axiom Pro. I have shown you how to actually use Axiom Pro in my last video. So in this video, I just want to show you how to look for those coins. We're going to trade this coin on the Solana ecosystem. So you come here and select Solana. The next thing we'll do is to apply filters. These filters will give us those coins that we want. So I'm going to come to here on Desk Screener and click on the filters. And what do we enter here? For peer age, you enter 2 hours to 24 hours. It's not going to exceed 24 hours. Liquidity minimum, I'm going to enter 15,000. And this is basically it. So apply filters. This has brought out a bunch of coins. You can see their liquidity here, 180k, 45, 59. None of them is below 15,000. You can see their market cap here. I don't want to take a coin whose market cap is up to $1 million. I'm looking for market cap around 200 or 130 or 94k. These are the things I'm looking for. So I'll go ahead and just open those ones with a smaller market cap. So the more you try this, the more you get the hang of it. You can actually apply the same strategy for bigger market cap. Let's say coming from $1 million to say 600, 400 market cap or thereabout, then you can apply the same thing. So I'm going to now go through these coins that I've opened on Desk Screener. So when a coin arises this way, I'm not usually a fan of it, although this is 5 minutes. So I prefer coins that have a more natural rise. This one did something like that. It came down. This coin might be gone from here actually. Okay, this one went to as high as 2 million market cap. If I check this, you can see this is at minus 93%. The drawdown is about 93%, so I'm not going to be messing with this coin. Drawdown here is about 87%, so I will not be messing with this coin. So I'm looking for like getting to not this kind of coins. This one is coming from 200 or 300. It's coming to this range. So these are the coins I'm going to investigate more because it's giving me something similar to what I'm looking for. So yeah, so if we check it out from here and you go this way, this is 84. So I can do further investigation in this coin. Now what I'm looking for, the chart looks good. What I'm looking for is for this to start making this kind of movement that I know it's time for me to enter basically. So I'm going to copy the contract address of this coin. So I'm going to copy here. It has socials, which is really good. So I'm going to come here and copy the contract address, which is this. Then I'm going to go to Axiom Trade. Under Axiom Trade, I'm going to come to here and paste the contract address and open this coin. Now what I'm looking for here is to conduct further analysis on this particular coin. I'll show you guys how to do this basically. So we're going to come here, insiders 24%, top 10 holders 22%, sniper 24%. These are red signs, which means that I might not actually trade this coin because it's giving me a bunch of red signs. Now this coin must still go ahead and do what it needs to do, but these are red signs. Then I can also check their holders, the top holders, and see that okay, the holders of this coin are actually quite decent. Then these are all bundled wallets. Now I'm going to take my time and just go and look for another coin. This coin is giving me something similar to what I want, so I'm gonna just go ahead and perform further analysis on this coin, but let me look for more. This one went to market cap of this. It has retraced by 56%, but you might not want to consider this week. Ideally, I'll prefer it retrace to the previous support. That is maybe from this point to around this point. This is where I might want to look at. But then again, I can also choose to go and do some more analysis on this coin. This one is gone. This one is gone. Totally gone. So let's look at this coin. So if we copy the contract address and go to Ethereum trade, I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll go ahead and just paste this contract address here. What do I look out for here? I go to this side first. Top 10 holders are holding 17.9% of the coin, almost 18%. It is red, but I'll say it's okay. 344 pro traders, 2,000 holders, which looks all good. DEX is paid. Then I'm going to investigate the holders more. So the top 50 holders are holding a decent amount of the coin. So these are some bundled coin, but they're just fine. So this coin actually looks good to trade, although what I would have loved to see is more retracement to this particular area, then a gradual movement this way, then I can buy into this coin this particular way. This is what I'm looking for. But then again, what I'm going to do again, this might actually take off from here. What I'm going to do again is just to keep an eye on this coin. To do that, I'm going to come to this star here and click on it. It is going to go to my watch list so that I can do further analysis on this coin. So this is basically this whole strategy. It's going to take you time to go to desk screener, go ahead and screen out coins. You can change your parameters. You can try maybe higher market cap coins. Just simple thing. If a coin gets to say $1 million market cap and retraces to 600,000 or 400,000, it might still make another go if all the fundamentals are right and the coin start making higher highs and higher lows. That is the whole strategy that is here. I was actually looking at this coin today. Let me look at it again before we go. And if I copy it and I come to here and paste this one here. So this actually did a lot of the things. You can see the movement up this way, then the retracement down. You can see it started making higher highs and higher lows. These are giving me point of entry. It made another move, right? Even another retracement is giving other points of entry. So this coin might actually make another move to the upside. So this is what you look at for using this particular strategy. Now, there are even more strategy you can use to trade meme coins. One of them is using this platform called TradeWiz. So TradeWiz is actually still launching and I'm still testing this out. For TradeWiz AI, I've not seen any other tool do this, which I think is brilliant. Now, what they are offering is what you get in some groups, paid for in some groups. They have what they call smart wallets, and if I click on this wallet, it's going to show me the percentage this wallet made, at least 10,000% in one day. And if I click on activity, it's going to show me the coin this wallet bought. They bought this coin here with $600, and it has been gradually selling this coin the whole of today. There are so many coins like that. All you have to do is just to track this particular coin to know when they are buying coins and to know when they are selling. It comes under this category of smart wallet. I'm testing it out. I'm going to do a full video about it to show you guys how it works. Besides this, there's actually much to share with you on trading meme coins. But then again, I must warn you, trading meme coins are risky. You might actually lose your money, all your money in trading meme coins. But the thing is, the more you understand how it works and the more you practice multiple times, you get a hang of it and you can start recouping this money you've lost and make money. You can just make sure you're using the right tools and you're getting the right information. Then you can have that money rolling in. Make sure you subscribe for more videos like this.